to ARC Restaurant. My name is Chef Noah von Blöm, and we're going to be preparing our amazing burger today. We start with our burger patty. It's done with short rib and our ribeye. It's cooked over live fire. We grind it up, add bacon lardon, caramelized onions to it, fresh parsley, chives, and then we whip the entire thing with duck fat. See that nice crust forming on the outside. This is our wood-burning oven. It burns at temperatures upward of 1500 degrees. We're gonna prepare our accoutrements that we use on our burger. We have some thinly shaved red onion. That's gonna go with our pickled Fresno chilies. Heirloom tomatoes, as are utterly important. The flavor just makes all the difference, and the density of the tomato. Just so beautiful. I like to mix my colors of tomatoes. We eat first with our eyes. We'll take our red oak lettuce, one of my ultimate favorites. Has a nice little peppery quality to it while maintaining crispness. We're going to dress it with just a little bit of a heavy roasted garlic vinaigrette. Our bun is a buttermilk and cornmeal potato flour roll. Keeps a nice moisture content and crisps up beautifully. We're gonna give a nice flip and see that other beautiful caramelized side as we drop that mound of cheese on the top. Nice caramelization in that oven. We're gonna send in our bread. With the heat of the oven, it toasts beautifully right before your eyes. Beautiful. We're gonna add a little bit of our house-made garlic aioli. We always leave just a slight mound on the top so it melts on its way to the table. Perfect burger right there. Now to top it and get the height we're looking for, we're gonna run those beautiful shaved red onions. We're gonna follow up with those pickled Fresnos. Next up, we're gonna go with those beautiful tomatoes. Perfect yellow, gorgeous reds. Gonna finish up with that lettuce. Perfect red oak. Topping it off with the bun. And it takes one giant pick to keep the entire thing together.